ever seen a bird with no feathers? Not sick, not sad, just different. Meet this little birdie. She may look a little strange at first, but give her a moment. She will flutter straight into your heart. She's a tiny little parrot. But unlike other parrots with colorful feathers and fancy tails, she has none. Not even a single feather on her wings. Her skin is soft and pink. Her eyes are big and curious. She was born with a condition, one that makes her feathers fall out. No matter how healthy or happy she is, they just don't grow back. But she dances just like any other bird. And she sings too. Well, more like squeaks. She climbs the curtains and naps on shoulders. She plays. She explores. And she brings smiles to everyone who meets her. So next time you see someone different, someone who looks a little unusual, remember this little birdie. Because under that bare skin, there is a whole lot of charm and personality.